We are going to talk about images, the display of images, and ensuring that your images are loading on the front end of your website at the correct size. We'll add some images into these three columns here and take a look at the results. So let's add an image module. Okay, so when we choose from the media library, we see some important information here. This tells us the original size the image was uploaded at. So almost 3,000 pixels wide by 2,000 pixels high. This is quite a heavy image. The file size is 732 kilobytes, which is probably the size of the original Doom game. I think Doom was a bit bigger than that, but Doom was about 25 megs, I think. But anyway, so this image is large. We don't want to display this image on the front end of our site because people are going to be loading this on their mobile phones, and this is just too big. For one image is too big. I mean, so let's look at what we can do here. So let's insert this image. And then, luckily with this Visual Composer single image module, we get access to the sizes. So here we want to choose medium. And the reason why we have access to all these different sizes is because when we upload an image to WordPress, if the image is big enough in the first place, WordPress will create 4 smaller sizes for us. So that's really handy. So we could choose large, or large is about 1,000 pixels wide, which is too big. So medium or small, I'd say let's check out small. We'll save that, and we'll preview the changes. Okay, small's probably a little bit too small because I kind of do want it to fill the whole gap here. So let's try medium. Move. Okay, that's filling the whole gap, and let's inspect element. Right click and inspect element on the Chrome browser. That's a built-in feature on Chrome. And here we can see the natural size is 600 by 380. That's the size of the medium size image. And that's going to work for me. That's going to work because I think when we squash in the screen, it's actually going to use a different size. It's going to use a larger size. So what's that using here? So that's displaying at 440 by 279. That's a display, but the actual size of the image is 600 by 380. So I think that's working well. It doesn't need to be exact. For the majority of small business websites out there, this technique will work fine. You're not going to kill anyone's bandwidth by loading an image that's slightly bigger than what it's actually displaying at. So that's fine. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, hit me up in the Facebook channel.